Hi guys, Raisa here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do another declutter. Ito naman yung ating mga lip products. So, ganyan yung aking lip products. Ito lang naman. I mean, compared to other YouTubers, kahit yung mga local YouTubers natin, konting-konti lang yung lipstick ko, kung tutuusin. But yeah, this is still a lot. So, we need to declutter a lot more. Okay na, nag-swatch na ako ng mga kung ano ba yung pwede ko i-declutter. I'm going to declutter both of these. Yan, si Color Jolt Matte. I think si Clara, yung friend ko, may hindi ko pa nabibigay sa kanya, pero may isa siya dyan. And I'm going to keep two of these. So, ikikeep ko na lang si Show Off Nude tsaka si Bittersweet Mandarin. So, dito yung declutter file. Lalagay natin sa box na to. I'm going to declutter, I think, my Too Faced Melted Mattes in the shade Melted Berry. Maganda yung shade nito kasi hindi ko siya ginagamit. So, I'm going to declutter it. I'm going to declutter 4 of these. Sobrang messy ng mga to, guys. Si Wet n Wild lipsticks. Dami kong ganito. Siguro may 10 akong ganito. 4 na lang sila. And ngayon, it's time. I need to declutter all of them. Kasi hindi pa sila expired. I mean, wala namang expired dito. Kasi I always check on my collection. So, hindi pa naman to expired ka. So, hindi ko na talaga sila ginagamit. So, I'm just going to pass this along with friends. Of course, isa-sanitize ko lahat ng ito before passing them. For the BLK, I'm going to keep the lipstick, this one right here. This is a really good formula. Super matte but super comfortable. But this one, hindi ko nagustuhan yung formula niya. So, I'm going to declutter this one. This is in the shade Bold. I'm going to declutter my Jeffree Star in Celebrity Skin. Ito yung kanyang lip ammunition, if I'm not mistaken. This is super cool toned. 2 beses ko lang ito nagamit. Ang ganda sana ng shade niya, but it's really cool toned. So, I'm just going to sell this one. Yan. I'm going to still keep my Vice Cosmetics in the shade Kering Keri. I'm still trying it out. So, keep pa yan. All of this, I think I'm going to keep. I might declutter this one too. Yeah, I might declutter both of these. In here, marami akong mga Maybelline mattes. Kasi favorite ko yung formula nila. Pero marami din akong hindi ginagamit dito. So, I'm going to declutter Divine Wine. I think dineclutter ko rin to last time. Pero ewan ko, bumalik siya dito. So, I'm going to get this out. Also, Craving Coral, tong orange nila. Hindi ko na siya ginagamit. Si Mesmerizing Magenta, tatanggalin na rin natin. Darlingly Nude ba? Yeah, sobrang nude niya sa akin. Nawawash out ako nito. So, I'm going to declutter this one too. So, yan. I think all is good. 4 na lang yung MAC lipsticks ko. I'm not a fan of MAC lipsticks, to be quite honest. So, 4 na lang natira. Marami akong MAC lipsticks dati kasi super hyped sila. Pero ngayon na 4 na lang, I think okay na yan. Tingnan natin kung magkakasya na siya dito. So, meron pa tayong 2 space right here. And, nabakante na tong isa. Here naman, dito yung mga few color pops na nabili ko as set. Right here. Itong mga puti dito. This one, ito din-declutter ko na itong 2 to kaso bumalik na naman. Ito, hindi ko siya mabenta. Si MAC Hyper Fabulous. Ang ganda pa naman ito kaso hindi ko siya mabenta so ipapamigay ko na lang siya. Itong mga to, ang ikikip ko lang is Too Sexy kasi wala akong purple shade like this one. And declutter, ikikip ko rin si Out of Sync. Kakulay kasi itong 2. Yan, si Maybelline and ito. So, I'm just going to keep the color pop kasi mas travel friendly ito. You know what, guys? I won't really use colors like this one. So, I think I'm just going to declutter them. There's no point of keeping it. So, swatch ko muna sa TGIF just so I know kung meron akong liquid lipstick dupe. Yan, tingnan natin. I'm going to declutter my Vice Cosmetics lip liner kasi hindi ko pa siya nagagamit. Naputol na siya. So, goodbye. These are good. Okay na tong mga to. Konti lang yung lip liner ko and halos lahat sila is nude. So, gamit na gamit ko talaga sila. Super nice tong si Essence. Essence lip liner. Yeah, this is in the shade. What shade is this? In the nude. Yan. Nag-iisang lip liner ko na kulay red. And then, all of these are color pop. Halos ano to, Catherine Lights collaboration. Si Lumiere. Si Taurus. Si Grunge. I think I'm going to declutter Grunge. This is Grunge. Kulay ano siya. Kulay parang brown. Cami, I'm going to keep that, Matte X. I'm going to declutter Pillow Talk. Yan, ito yung kulay niya. Super brown, cool toned brown. Hindi ko siya ginagamit. All else, Taurus, I'm going to keep that. Lumiere, Aquarius, of course, and Grunge. Grunge is in the maybe pile. Lagay natin dito. Ito naman yung aking mga Kylie liquid lipsticks. 5 lang naman to. So, I'm going to declutter Candy K, this one, and Dolce K. Parang ang ganda ni Candy K. Sayang, di ko siya ginagamit. Wait. Tignan lang natin. So, after swatching itong group na to right here, I'm going to declutter 2 Kylie lipstick, Dolce K and Candy K. And also my my BYS Velvet Lip liquid lipstick in the shade Bare Beauty. Ayan. So, ito yung tatlong hindi ko ginagamit. Ito si Candy K, si BYS, si Dolce K. Ito si Matte Me ng Sleek. Hindi ko rin siya ginagamit. Kaso, siya, local product siya. I mean, available siya locally. So, I might use this one in the near future. And bala kong gumamit ng mga YouTubers favorite and favorite ni Miss Ann Klutz. So, I'm going to keep this. I'm going to keep this still. Pero after ng video na yon, I'm going to declutter it. And then this one, si Maybe pala natin si Grudge. Kakulay Grunge. Yan, Grunge Color Pop. Kakulay niya pala si Malibu. No, Ginger of Kylie lipstick. So, I'm going to declutter Color Pop. This one, I'm going to keep si BYS Velvet Lips. Dati meron akong 5 BYS. Isa na lang yung kinip ko. Kasi sobrang, sobrang drying ng formula niya. But I'm planning to do a full face BYS makeup. So, i-keep ko muna to. But after that video, I'm going to also declutter it. And then, itong 5 to, i-keep ko sila kasi ginagamit ko sila. Itong si Jazzy France, hindi ko sila ginagamit kasi, hindi ko sila madalas gamitin. But, they're local products and they're affordable. Kaya, i-keep ko na lang sila for future use. I mean, kung gagawa tayo ng full face local. But I'm going to do another declutter this year. Kung hindi ko pa rin sila ginagamit, I'm going to get them out of the collection. Some cosmetics I'm going to keep because I love this one. I love the formula. One of the best. For this one naman, dito sa basong to, I'm going to declutter all of my NYX soft matte lip creams. Halos paubos na tong mga to. So, I'm just going to pass them along. Sa NYX pala, ang tatago ko lang is si Cairo. So, itong shade na to. This one is a concealer lip shade. Kaso, ginagamit ko siya pang sheer out ng lipstick or other liquid lipstick. So, I'm going to keep this one. So, ito yung aking Milani lipsticks and Color Pop. I'm sorry. Too Faced. To be honest, ikikeep ko lahat ng Too Faced na tiya. Ginagamit ko naman tong 4. So, why not? In here, I'm going to keep Adorable and Love. These 2, medyo neutral shades, pero, wait, let's check Love. So far, walang kakulay si Love. Dito yung kulay na Love. But, if I see another shade like this one, I'm going to declutter Love. For now, I'm going to keep Adorable for sure. And I'm going to declutter Covette. Ito si Super Brown siya. In here naman, I'm going to declutter both of these. Hindi ko lang sila ginagamit. So, I'm just going to say bye-bye. And it's Liquid Suede in 07. I'm going to keep this one. Itong isa, parang gusto ko siyang i-declutter. Pero ang ganda na kulay niya. Just going to keep this one and declutter Love. Halos magkakulay sila and hindi ko ginagamit si Milani. Mas gusto ko si Liquid Suede. So, I'm going to declutter Milani and keep this one. Okay. Next baso. Ito, medyo may hihirapan ako dito kasi mga Ofra liquid lipsticks itong mga to. And isa ang Ofra sa paborito kong kulay. Ang hindi ko ginagamit dito si Laguna Beach. What else? Ang hirap. Si Laguna Beach lang, hindi ko talaga bet. I think Charmed 2. Wait, let's declutter that one. I'm going to keep all of this because I love Ofra. I don't even feel bothered na ikikeep ko lahat to kasi paborito ko yung formula niya. This is my all-time favorite red, Atlantic City. Yan. Itong mga nudes dito, super the best. Si Manila, sobrang ganda. Yeah, go grab Manila. Kathleen Lights, both collaboration. This one, Havana Nights and Miami Fever. Super fave ko tong dalawang to. To be quite honest, ikikeep ko lahat sila. Sige, go. I'm going to keep them. In here, ito yung maliliit kong liquid lipstick. What else? I think ubos ko na si Colourpop Celebrity Skin. These are actually good. Wait, check natin si Brick. Kung may kakulay. Walang kakulay si Brick. I'm going to keep it. I think I'm going to declutter Lychee. Yeah, I'm going to declutter Lychee. Ito si Lychee. Medyo mas pink siya. It's super pink compared to others. I'm going to keep Nozette and Terra. I'm going to keep this 4 pala. Ayan. Kasi ito yung mga Kathleen Lights collaboration. So, I'm going to keep 0.0 Eliza, Lumiere 2, and November. But Ultra Blotted Lips in the shades Light, Zuma, and Doozy. Super favorite ko yung formula ng Ultra Blotted. If I'm going to choose a formula from Colourpop, I'm going to choose the Ultra Blotted Lips. I'm also going to keep 2 of these, si WeHo and Finders Keepers. I love their glosses, so I'm going to keep 2. I love ColourPop. I'm going to declutter all of this, I think. So these are all the things we're going to declutter. This is a pretty good number, you guys. Kala ko konti lang talaga yung madi-declutter ko. We have decluttered a lot, actually. So I'm pretty happy about it. Marami pa rin tayo ikikip, guys, kasi sabi ko nga sa inyo, favorite ko ang liquid lipstick and ang lipstick. Because they're exciting. Sila yung mga exciting part of makeup, yung eyeshadow and yung lipstick. So, I'm not very big on decluttering my lip products. And, to be quite honest, konti pa tong mga to compared to other beauty vloggers. So, I don't think I feel guilty about it. So, on the long run naman, marami pa rin tayong i-declutter. So, we're going to declutter all of these. Right here, I have decided to declutter yung mga nasa maybe pile natin kanina kasi hindi ko sila ginagamit. I think konti lang yung i-resell ko dito. Almost everything is I'm going to just donate. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Nakakalungkot, nakakahinayang, pero mas nakakahinayang yung pera kung papabayaan ko lang silang ma-expire sa collection. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this declutter, guys. Sunod ko na yung ating eye palettes. I hope you liked our video. Please give me a thumbs up. Also, comment down below. And please subscribe if you haven't already. See you on my next video. Always remember, be beautiful, be you. Bye!